People need to stop foam rolling the IT band or the iliotibial tract. That's what this structure is right here, this really thick piece of tissue on the side of the thigh. This is the iliotibial tract, and it's a hybrid tissue in the sense that it's both a tendon and also part of the fascial wrapping of the thigh. Now, you've probably seen this, or maybe you've done this yourself, or at least heard of it, people foam rolling the side of this to try and release it. Now, the reason why that's a problem is, for one, it's made of something called collagen, and lots of it. Collagen is a protein that is all about tensile strength. Its entire purpose in life is to resist being pulled apart. And here comes you with your little foam roller trying to rip it apart, to stretch it out because you think it's too tight. Now, you have to understand the IT band is supposed to be tight. This is a tendon. It's there to provide rigidity to the entirety of the thigh. It acts as a tension strut. But the tightness likely doesn't come from the IT band itself. Instead, it comes from the muscles that attach to it. And you can see one of those right here. This is called the tensor fasciae lati. This muscle right there, as well as the gluteus maximus on the other side, they literally blend into the IT band. So if you're experiencing tightness in the IT band, that's likely a product of the muscular tissue, not the IT band itself. When you're foam rolling, at best, you're doing nothing for the IT band. At worst, you're damaging it because you're stretching out proteins that are resisting the stretch. Now, I'm not saying there isn't some benefit at all, because there's a muscle underneath here called the vastus lateralis that you could also be foam rolling, and that can be highly beneficial. All I'm saying is foam rolling in this attempt to stretch or release the IT band makes absolutely no sense.